In this video I will show you how you can connect your Porkbun domain to Cloudflare. So now this is really easy. Firstly, you want to open domain section on Cloudflare and you want to click on onboard a domain, and then we just have to copy our domain from Porkbun. So this is my domain checkmark academy.space and I will paste it here. And then we have three options. We can use quick scan for DNS records. So this will automatically scan our DNS records and it will import them for us. So you can keep this. It's recommended also, but you can also check, add it manually or upload a DNS zone file. Then you can also select if you want to block AI training bots. So I'll keep it on block on all pages. Then hit continue. Now we want to choose plan which you want to use. So if you want to have some better options, you can try one of those plans, but I will stick with the free plan. And now it's showing me that it found 0 records. So I think I have 0 records on my Porkbun domain. So you need to go to DNS on this small DNS text. And from here you should see your DNS records, and I have currently 0 records. So I will add the CNAME record, which is the type is CNAME, name is www, and this is the value. So I will choose CNAME as type, name is www, this is the value. So we have this record, so we have the record, and now we need to add it also in Cloudflare. Like this, then save. And we can continue to activation. And now we just need to change our name servers. So those are my current name servers on Porkbun, and we need to replace them by those two from Cloudflare. So I will copy the first one, and we have to go to name servers. So I will click on this small name servers logo, and you just want to paste the first one, and then second one under the first one like this. Click on submit. Okay. And this change can take up to 48 hours to propagate. So we just want to wait. I updated my name servers. And I just need to wait for it to check 1 or 2 hours, but it can also take to 24 hours. So depending on your register. And once this is done, you should see it in your domains. So instead of this invite name servers, you will see like checkmark and not this. And that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.